When we initially started it, we thought we could do it with the plastic shield and everything on. I welded these brackets on thinking that we can yank it, but there's so many spots that were already stress bent that the metal has memory. So we yanked it and it just went right back into spot again. Then we had to remove the plastic shield off of it so we can go ahead and heat it. And you saw when we yanked it in one direction, but we couldn't get it to go the other direction because now the plow's lifting off the ground. Then we had to get the porta power and figure out a way where we can get it to stabilize the plow on the bottom to pull this back out. Now we got it to a spot where we're happy with what we did. So now this thing can go back together quicker than I thought.
This was the most effective and cheapest way for the city to save money is by us straightening it without replacing the plow. To replace the plow is about $15,000 to $17,000, and we were able to straighten it out and still make the plow usable and to serve its purpose in snowstorms and upcoming events. Problem solving and engineering at the same time. Looks good.
Yeah.
So,